Hello, we are here at the National Stadium for the Statesman Vintage Classic Rally here in New Delhi. Over 100 plus cars in the vintage, pre-war, post-war, on classic sections of them. We interviewed about 4 or 5 of the enthusiasts who are lovers, avid collectors, they're curators more than enthusiasts at that. They've displayed their beauties over here. 2, 3 of them ended up winning. This whole journey has been fabulous for me. I have not seen cars so beautiful. I think these days we drive really, really ugly cars. Basically, our cars are packed with tech. Their cars are packed with character, and that's what I like. See you on Shweta Stockies. And here to meet Mr. Shah, his father, was the king of Delhi Darlal, Uttarakhand, and he possesses one of these beautiful burgundy colored Mercedes-Benz 1958. He's going to tell us a little bit more about it, and I'm very excited because this one shines most in the sun. And one of our partners, Mr. Shah, thank you for being on Shweta Stockies. Could you please tell us a little bit about this car?
Well, this is a 1958 Mercedes-Benz 220. It's called the Ponton.
Called the Contour.
Ponton.
Ponton.
Because that was the first. This was the first model where the bonnet and the mudguard were integrated.
I see.
So that's why they're called Ponton.
So you bought it yourself, you inherited it.
No, I bought it about 3 years ago. But in our family, we had one of these cars many, many years ago.
And where did you get this from? Where?
I got it from Bombay.
You got it from Bombay?
Yes.
Look at where's the camera? Here. Okay, this is beautiful. 095005. Is this the whole hood which goes up?
Yeah, of course.
It must be really heavy.
You want to?
Huh?
No, it's got springs, so the spring helps it to go up.
Acha, so this is lifters by itself.
Except that you have to be careful of your head. You might bump your head when you're working
And
inside.
Why this color? Why did you choose this
This
color?
is one of the original colors of this car.
Acha, this is you've not touched the paint, or is it retouched now?
No, it's been repainted, re-restored. Originally, she was black, but I preferred this shade of the Mercedes.
So this color was chosen, and originally she was black. And could you tell us a little bit what lies under the hood?
Well, it's a 2,200 cc engine, 2.2 liter engine, a 6-cylinder, and it has a very good performance. It's very fun to drive, and it's made very well. There are a lot of luxuries, like you see all over there's chrome. Inside there is wood.
Show me. Let's go inside. So we're gonna get.
Yeah,
So
go
you
on.
you open, go sit down. The camera will be on you, and you can explain to us. They're going in. He's going in and gonna explain to us the entire dashboard and what it's made of. Please have a seat.
Yeah, if you notice, everywhere you'll find chrome. There's all chrome here, chrome,
All original.
all original.
Oh,
All the
beautiful.
knobs are chrome. So it's actually, I would say, a baby S-Class.
Baby S class.
Yeah, because it's made so well.
And what's that?
That is for the air and heater.
Oh, why
That's
don't
the
you sit
heater.
inside? Let's see how you look. Oh,
And this has a self-seeking radio where you just press the button and the needle goes by itself.
and this is the
And it
original.
stops where there's a strong signal of our station.
Oh, it auto catches. That used to be. And what are these? I can't.
These
tell.
are all lights.
Okay.
They're all lights.
This is inside light out from
No,
outside.
these are headlights.
These are headlights.
This is for the dome light, I think.
Okay.
The interesting part of this is the indicators. Normally we have indicators here,
Yeah.
but this has indicator here.
Oh, how strange and amazing.
And the only thing, it doesn't come back. So you have to remember that you put on the
Acha, it
indicator.
does not come back.
So you have
Okay.
to put it back.
And you've kept the leather as original? or
No,
you
this is all,
painted?
it was
You've
all
redone it now?
redone, but it is redone to like original specs.
But I noticed these are these uni seats. The seats are not split in the middle.
No, that you can order. In those days, you could order bucket seats.
Ah,
These are called bench seats.
vent seats.
Bench.
Bench seats.
So the advantage of bench seat is that you get one extra passenger.
Tell me what you have in a little boot up there. Oh, right now it's beautiful though. And can you start you can't really start the radio, can you?
No.
Not right now.
You have to pull up the aerial and all that.
Acha, you have to pull up the aerials. I see. Lovely. Hold cut.
And it also has one other interesting feature. It has a fitted luggage.
Where?
Luggage that came with the car.
What do you mean? You got luggage with the car?
As I said, these are little things which are not a normal car. Like in
Like,
Europe.
for example? Oh, so this luggage came
No, I made it, but it is to the
to
original.
match the original.
Yeah. And this is the toolbox. They're full now.
आप इस पे रख दीजिए. Can I see
So
it?
they are,
Just the original toolbox.
everything is made to original spec.
Make the original specs. Nice. आप इधर आ जाओ, हाँ. So this is how it came originally when you bought it, and that's for the
No,
spare
but this
wheel?
is on extra, order.
Okay.
It doesn't come with the car, but
So I see there's a space empty here. So
because in those
two
days
spare
there's people used to travel a lot by cars,
हाँ.
and the roads were not as clean as they were. There used to be, so the people used to have a lot of punctures.
Oh, I see.
So if you have one puncture, then you still have one spare left.
Beautiful.
I
So
have a
this passion, was this because of fashion or?
Well, there's a saying amongst us that almost every boy loves toy cars when he's small. Most of them grow up, mature and grow up. Some of them don't mature and don't grow up, and they still keep playing with their toys. Only the size increases. I'm one of those guys who's not mature and haven't grown up with it.
You wish to collect a little more of these
So I still
beauties.
play with my toys.
Thank you so much for your little gift. Thank you for coming to Shweta Stockies, and I hope to see the rest of your collection soon.
Okay.
Come to Shweta Stockies. Tell us a little bit about what is this?
This is a Bentley 1957 S1 automatic power steering.
Automatic, and you painted it.
Yes,
Later.
I've restored it.
You've restored it as this.
I've restored it to what she looks like now.
This is, where did you get it from? I want to know.
I imported this from Beverly Hills and it was belonged to a producer there. It came in very bad shape.
नोएडा का कोई प्रोड्यूसर नहीं मिला आपको, Beverly Hills जाना है.
Yeah, this is actually a Beverly Hills car.
Oh, it does say Beverly Hills. Look at that. So this is an automatic.
Automatic power steering. It's like driving a modern car with old school look.
You
So
old school, that's the model.
yes,
Or vice versa.
sometimes both.
And this is one of your vehicles in your fleet. What's the other one?
I have a MGTC which is standing the other side of the show,
Okay.
and I've got a Mercedes 280 SL. Then I got a 115, a 114
This is
Mercedes.
these are called the classic cars, right?
Yeah, this is the classic ones.
So
Yeah,
let me understand. After 1930s, become the classic car.
yeah. After that becomes classic, and
All the way to
pre that is a vintage.
Vintage.
Pre-war and post-war.
Post-war. And these wheels and everything is original?
Yeah, these
Or
are.
which bit is restored?
See, you see, these tires are the actual size,
Look.
and they're white walls
Why are they white walls?
for the show, for the actual look.
Acha, so this doesn't have like a
Yes.
functional property.
Yeah.
It says American Classy.
Yes.
These are not the original tires, are they?
Yes.
Yeah, the original tires.
No, they are the original size. They're new tire. Everything is been restored, but the car is original. Every single thing, the engine, the carbs, everything.
But this one, when I see it, it bends a little at the back.
Yes.
Little aerodynamic, I
Yes,
must
the
say.
Queen of England used to use it in her last days. She used
She used to use this car.
She used to pick up the European dignitaries in an S1 Bentley.
Oh, this model.
Yes, yeah, not this
I
car.
thought your car was about to become a queen.
Yeah.
Now we have the back of it. But this is chrome. It's too low, no? चलते कैसे थे?
Yes.
Has she received any awards?
She's won in this very statesman. She's won in Rajputana, and she is the most driven car in India. She's done
Huh.
54,000 miles in 8 years,
Including COVID.
including COVID.
Where did you take her?
I've taken her to Agra, to Jaipur, to Chandigarh. I've taken her all over India and on a regular basis.
Does she climb mountains?
Oh
Let's have a
yes,
look.
oh yes.
The camera, come behind me.
Welcome everybody, welcome to this amazing event.
She got an automatic gearbox and she got a climb
Have a
mode.
seat there and explain to us the panel.
This next one is here on the application times in the house.
This is this is the temperature of the engine. This is the fuel, the tank. This is the oil pressure, and this is the amps, the battery charging. And this is the speedometer.
And this is watch.
This is the speedometer. And
No, this panel is all watch.
yes, it's all wood.
Is it original
Yes.
or restored?
No. It's all original, just polished to look good.
Lovely.
Everything is original. Nothing is.
What are
changed.
the other upgrades? What is this? Oh, glove compartment.
Yeah, it came like this.
Where is the ashtray here?
The ashtrays at the back.
Ashtrays at the back.
Two ashtrays at the
Oh.
back. And there's one here.
That's ashtrays?
Yes.
Very good stuff. I was looking for ashtray, huge. I found one at the back as well. Still on here. And this is for,
and this is a table, a tray.
this is a table those days. I'm trying to figure in my car these days. So why this one? Why this one?
I was fascinated by the looks and the performance. It is like driving a modern car with old school looks, so you don't have to suffer it. Some vintages, if you buy them, they are so difficult to drive that it's like going to the gym every day. You don't need to go to the gym if you have them. But this has a very comfortable, luxurious feel, and it's gives us a very, very smooth ride. And it has a top speed of 100 miles an hour. So I've taken her to 160 kilometers an hour, which is pretty much like a modern car.
How do you protect it in this extreme heat? Obviously a covered garage.
Yes, we have covered garage. We keep them like babies, and we look after them. I got my own workshop, so I have my own mechanics, and we restore our cars ourselves. It's a 6-cylinder, 5,000 cc, 4,900 to be precise, twin carburetor.
Beautiful. Mr. Bahano, thank you so much. We look forward to all your other cars
Yes,
winning everything.
thank you so much.
Thank you
Looking
so
forward.
much. Welcome to Shwetal.
Thank you.
I'm now speaking to Mr. Shiva Jetty, who owns this pepper grey Ford Mustang 1966, and this is what it looks like. Mr. Jetty, thank you for talking to Shweta Stockies.
Pleasure,
Tell us a
pleasure.
little bit about this beauty.
She's a 1966 Ford Mustang convertible.
Okay.
It has a 289 CI engine, which in terms of modern term means 4,700 cc,
Oh,
and
Okay.
she runs on an 8-cylinder engine. Most modern cars are 4 or 6, so she's on an 8-cylinder.
is this the original paint?
This is the original factory pepper grey, metallic pepper grey.
And you curated it then, like repainted or the
Repainted, I
repainted
painted it.
it.
Yeah. I look after it myself.
You look at it yourself.
Yeah.
And so, like, where did you get it from? Any idea? Which
Uh,
parts of the world? I can ask that.
I know this one belonged to one of our friends, his father's car, and he had sold it about 20 years back.
Acha.
And they wanted to sell it back after about 10 years. So he told me, if you're interested, you can buy it. So that's how.
Quickly grab it.
Yeah, yeah.
So your fleet has, this is one of them.
Yeah, I have a 65 also.
Yeah, 65 Ford Mustang.
A Mustang,
Is it a
but
Mustang?
hard top.
You like American cars, is that?
Yeah.
Many people don't.
Yeah,
Some people do.
yeah.
Is there a way we can look inside the hood?
Yeah,
Does-
absolutely. It's absolutely. Everything is original in this.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
280.
As
Not
it-
that I know much
As
about
it came
this.
from the factory.
And it's mint clean.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like, seriously? No dust. Wow. Okay, so explain. Where was the cylinder? Where's what?
These are the 4 cylinders here. 4 cylinders there. This is the factory fitted power steering for a
This is new?
No, this is old but chrome plated.
You've chrome plated it.
Yes.
And this is, oh, okay, okay.
This is just for insulation.
They use that now for soundproofing.
Yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And this is like, oh, it's a beauty. Absolute beauty.
Thank you.
My favorite. I once drove a yellow one all the way from Atlanta to North Carolina.
Okay.
Of course, I got lost. Of course. Of course, I got lost. But it's one of my favorite Americans.
Thank you.
Could you tell us a little bit? We'll shut this down.
Yeah.
About the inside. You want to have a seat? You want to sit down? I'll sit down and we can talk about it, please.
Yeah.
आप बैठो मैं उधर से बैठती हूँ We both are going to sit inside and I'm going to get a feel of what this looks like. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Wow. 3 gears. 3 gears. Have a look. 3 gears. Absolutely. And these are the deep dish.
This is the
Steering,
this is a
right?
horn ring, and
And that's the horn.
That's the horn.
This is the radio.
This is the radio.
Where's the
yeah.
ashtray? I've asked literally every car.
This is the ashtray. And we have a lighter as well.
Oh, this is the lighter.
Yeah, this is the lighter as well.
And how does this open?
This is the, yeah.
It's heavy, not like today's.
Yeah, it's all full metal.
It's beautiful.
You have to shut it hard. Yeah,
And that's the Mustang logo.
Yeah.
You don't see that anymore with the blue,
yeah,
with the white and blue. I don't see it often.
yes.
And what are these?
Which one? These are the auxiliaries which we have put for Indian traffic conditions. This runs an extra fan so that
For the
doesn't-
heat.
For the heat, so that it doesn't get heated in traffic.
But like in Delhi weather now, 50-degree going up, I don't think it's nice to take her out, no?
But we do. I mean, we have to run them, otherwise they go bad.
And this is like the original.
Original.
Oof, it's just this color
Yeah.
is wine, I
Yeah.
think. No? It's pepper gray outside, wine on the inside.
Yeah. yeah.
You are a man of taste, I must say. Look at the disc brakes. Can you pan this? It actually says, I saw a lot of the cars, the older cars, they actually mentioned disc brake.
Yeah, this brake.
Why do they mention it?
Because it was something new those days.
Oh.
It was just introduced. So it was a new selling point for the company also. That this car comes with a disc brake. Earlier it used to be drum brakes. So this
Acha.
came with disc brakes, which was an improvement over the.
I thought this doesn't have indicator lights, does it? No, it
It
does.
has. It has.
So this
it
is
has.
indicator
Yeah,
light.
yeah.
I saw one where like a double steering and the indicator was, I think it was in a Rolls. It
Yeah.
didn't have a
Yeah.
side knob for the indicators. And so how long have you had this?
This I've been had for the last 6 years.
You clean it yourself, you drive it yourself.
Yeah, I look after it myself.
And the best story about this baby?
Well, I enjoyed every weekends and every rally, attended every possible rally.
How far has she gone?
In terms of number of kilometers, I've been up to Jaipur and back.
Acha,
Yeah.
in winters or summers, because so hint of what's going to happen in summers
The other Mustang I have, that is almost for 40 years now.
also.
Yeah.
And so you've kept everything as is.
Yeah. This is as it came from the factory.
And how do you, what's that? That's a
Metal.
paint.
Metal, but
Metal
painted.
painted in, I thought it was silver.
No,
Oh,
it's
sorry,
not.
I thought it was leather.
No, it's not.
completely.
Yeah.
And so, if I had to ask you which one is your favorite baby
Yeah,
in your
bo-
fleet?
No, they're all our favorites actually. I like all of them.
Everybody's telling me this. Nobody's picking up a favorite car.
Yeah. It's difficult to pick up.
And
but
where are you showcasing her next?
next? I think probably we have an event in Jaipur
Huh,
on the 23rd of March.
March.
It's the annual Rajputana rally.
Acha.
So every year I participate in some cars. So this year most probably I'll take this one.
So this would be a classic.
This is a classic.
Your classic. And I'm sure she won some awards.
Yeah. Every event she attends, she wins a prize.
Every event.
Every event.
In
so
her
far.
category.
Yeah, in her
That
category.
would be classics.
Classics, yes.
Which awards were those?
We have won the 21 gun salute, we have won the statesman, we have won the Rajputana rally also.
So you pretty much won everything. I won nothing, you won everything. Thank you so much.
Yes,
thank
thank
you
you.
so very much for that. Thank you.
Nice.
So,
Yeah, so these are all the premier concourse shows where it has been displayed. And below that are all the clubs of India and around the world that we have had rallies done.
or you've
with them.
attended rallies with.
Yes.
But, and this is interesting. This is obviously not the original.
No. When we did this trip, we wanted it to represent the modern India.
Okay.
And we thought, why not have Sardar Patel on a British car and roam around the world?
It's a good one. It's not a bad idea.
And since it was a British car and we were driving Lal Pari back to where it was manufactured at her home in Abingdon, we had the flags of India and
You rode from where to where though?
we drove from Ahmedabad to Mumbai
Ahmedabad to Mumbai.
and then we shipped it to Dubai because we can't go to Pakistan. And and then so we did Iran, Turkey, and then into Greece and the Balkans, Macedonia, Albania.
Wow, there was no break.
No, there was no break. There was no break.
What this only? This looks bad. What are you covering?
Yeah, we've covered it. We've shot it, the whole journey over the period of 73 days.
Oh, and she did without and it's original. No, I don't think it's the original guy has done.
Yeah, I mean, but these are still the same tires that it went on. Any 73-year-old or 75-year-old is about to have problems. We had plenty of them. But on the journey, the kind of love and affection that we got, it wasn't our problem. It became their problem. Yeah, they're called the suicide doors.
And that's fine. How old is this again? Sorry, I forgot.
This is 75 years.
75-year-old car.
So the key works, very few. I mean, there is not a single car in India which can say this, that it has visited, the Abingdon factory of MG.
Oh, so it's from the original factory.
Yeah, it's from the original factory.
And what is this? C.
That's the choke, that's the starter. You just put that on.
It's a stick shift.
Put it
How
in
many gears does
neutral.
this have?
It's 4.
4 gears.
And
That's a handbrake.
That's the handbrake. All the meters are chromatic. What you have on your watch, they're all mechanical. They all work. You'll have to. So, any sports car, you drive looking at the RPM, not the speedo.
I see.
So that's why the speedo is on the other side, and you look at driving it at the speedo. And if you see the RPM, it doesn't go in a straight line. It goes tick, tick, tick.
Shifty.
Because it's mechanical. Even the clock works.
Yeah, this is what.
Yeah, it shows the correct time.
So these are the miles.
That's in miles.
You've done 10,000 miles. On
10,800 miles since we restored it.
And what is that?
That's the, you can fix it. That's your trip meter.
Oh, come here. See this? Wait. You can fix the trip meter. Wait, this thing moves.
My dad went and bought this out of Mumbai. And we've had this ever since. I grew up in it, went to the zoo, went to the picnics, went to drive-in cinema, got married in it.
You got married in it.
Yeah, all my cousins got married in it.
You can fit only one wife. So good.
Yeah, wow, very lucky.
You have a key?
Oh, it just opens. So the boot is, you'll have twisted.
Oh, you're scoffing it. Yeah, it has space, huh?
Yeah, it has space. This is something that I can, regularly share, and it's not been. So this is the original brick of the MG factory in 1930.
Oh,
So the MG
Wow.
factory was destroyed in 99,
okay.
and when we made it to UK, they honored us with brick number 226 of 500.
Superb.
And
Right. The limited edition brick from MG Car Factory in Abingdon on Thames, number 226 of 500.
so this is a 1930 brick.
Fabulous.
And if you want to show that's a better way. So if you see this and we release it,
Oh, wow. That's so cool, yeah.
so they had this way back.
This way.
This weighs a 1 ton. It's a pretty heavy car for a very small
Very
engine.
heavy car for that one, yeah.
So there were only 900 of these ever made, and there are about 150 which survive. So and we have 2 of them.
Oh, beautiful. Mr. Thakur, thank you for
Thank
sharing
you so
with us.
much.
And see you, Kono Shwetas, for. Thank you very much.